Hey everyone! Take a look at who I made this time. Meet Sprunki Libun and Albun. In this video, I'll show the full creative process of how I made them from start to finish. And just like always, I hid a few extra Sprunki characters in the video. So try to spot them all, count how many you see, and write your number in the comments. Now let's talk about these two. Or one. Libun and Albun are basically two personalities stuck in one perfectly split Sprunki body. One side is soft pink, the other is calm blue. Like they can't decide if they're feeling cute or chill today. Libun, the pink side, is playful, emotional, and always full of energy. One big eye wide open, smiling like she's about to sing the catchiest melody you've ever heard. Albun, the blue side, is the complete opposite. Half-lidded eye, relaxed expression, zero stress. He's the type who drops slow, smooth beats and looks bored while doing something insanely cool. Together, they're balanced chaos. In the Sprunki universe, Libun and Albun are known as the dual track. Libun handles the high notes, bubbly vocals, and chaotic rhythm switches, while Albun controls the bass, tempo, and that calm vibe that keeps the music from completely falling apart. When they sing together, it sounds like two moods fighting for control, and somehow turning into a perfect track. Legend says they were created during a glitch where two unfinished Sprunki songs merged into one character. Instead of breaking the system, they became inseparable. They don't always agree, they sometimes sing over each other, but when the beat drops, they sync perfectly, like they were never meant to be separate at all. So yeah, this is Sprunki Libun and Albun. Two moods, one body, endless music, and twice the personality.